Good evening, teachers and classmates. Today we are going to present Scrabbles Innovation Project, presented by Palomares Lovela Bryan, Pérez Vilcaboma Mondón, and Ravelo Pomelasa Angela. A table of contents. Number 1, description of the invention. Number 2, operation of the invention. Number 3, how does the invention of the community? Description of the invention. Scrabble are invention purification systems. They are installed on ships, and invention are models. Scrabble missed years of constructions, 2018. 08. Dimensions: height 2.1 meter, external diameter 0.8 meters, total 3.48 meters, wall thickness 0.0156 meters. Scrabble atmospheric and emission purification systems, thanks of the technology and invention. Each strip of pollution gases is carried under a handful of the atmosphere, several emitted of ships. The Scrabble, which is in the form of a critical tank, capture this gas of the through a liquid neutralizes the pollution components. However, the result of the contact of the liquid with the gases always, the enzyme separation for the pollutants molecules. This is a gas with a toxic emission does not harm the atmosphere. It has a system of lower than content of the washing water with service accessories, bottom drain of the automatic exhaust valve, recharge of the chemical reagent systems, and makeup weather, ARRS and AWRS. 3-point level control for pool control regeneration, manhole for inspection for maintenance operation, washing water ramp, centrifugal water circulation pump, and with a vertical and horizontal axis made of stainless steel of propellant and panel control.
Okay, how it works. Continuing with the presentation, I will describe the operation of Scrabbers. Scrabbers work by removing pollutants from the exhaust of ships or any other machines. Inside they have an alkaline cleaner that filters contaminants such as sulfur. Scrubbers also have a liquid inside them, which can be a water, a chemical reagent, or a mixture of both, depending of the contaminants to be treated. Nitrogen's derivatives can be absorbed in the acid medium, while sulfur derivatives can be eliminated in alkaline or oxidizing medium. There are even certain contaminants that are very soluble in water that do not require chemical reagents in the washing process.
Finally, how does the invasion of the community? The scrubbers are our emission purification system that are installed on ships. The OMI allows their use an equivalent compliance option because they are expanded to reduce sulfur dioxide emissions to the same or greater extent than the use of compliant fuels. Although it is true that technology reduces sulfur emissions into the atmosphere, the toxic water that is produced as a byproduct contains carcinogens and heavy metals. Many of these pollution dumped directly in the oceans, accumulating in the environment and in the food chain. Mainly, this invention was created to reduce air pollution by purifying a raw and automatic air washing system and directly reduce greenhouse gases that can route the global warming. It mainly helps the environment by providing better air quality for all biological species, such as humans and nature. Thanks, Miss.